Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to change the new folder name in Windows from new folder to anything you like. So when you right click somewhere and you do new folder, that's your default name, then you got to type in whatever you want or just press enter to continue. So there's a quick registry edit you could do to change this to make it whatever you like. So if you make folders all the time and you don't want it to be a new folder and you don't want to have to type something in, you could just have it set to whatever value you want. So to do so, we're going to open the registry and we're going to navigate to this section here. So let's just copy that, type in Regedit, and then just go open the address bar here and paste it. It's the easiest way to get there, so you don't have to type it in. Press enter. Okay, so now under Explorer, we need to make a new key called NamingTemplates. So you can either right click here or right click on Explorer itself here. So we'll just do new key. Just paste that in, NamingTemplates, no spaces, capital letters on N and T. Okay. And now underneath NamingTemplates, we're going to make a new string value called RenameNameTemplate, just like this here. So right click again, new string value this time. Paste that in, press enter. So now to change the value, we just need to double click it to open it. Now under value, we could make it say whatever we want. Just like that. And you shouldn't have to reboot or do anything like that. It should be instant. So now when we go right click, new folder, we have migrate folder, just like that. Then of course if you want to reverse it, just go back into Registry Editor, find this NamingTemplates key /folder. You just right click on it, delete it. And now when we go back here, we're back to new folder, just like that. So I'll put these instructions in the description, then you could follow along and you'll be having a new name for your new folders. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.